What is up, YouTube? Welcome back again. It's a very technoboy, and right now I'm at the staircase, you can see, and exactly where my inverter is. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to take care of your inverter battery and all, because if you have frequent load shedding or some kind of power cut issue, then you need the inverter. And to keep the inverter run longer, you need to take care of the battery properly. So here you can see that's the battery water indicator, and at the bottom the red mark is there, and at the top the green mark is there. So it's going to stay just like this, touching the green, or it's going to stay at the top just like that. So you can understand your battery water is full, and then after certain times it goes down and down and down, and when it touch the red line, that means it's dangerous. You need to fill water in the battery immediately, or else this thing will happen. You can see this dark color right there. That's the concentration of graphite that comes out from the battery plates. So that's the thing. And to reduce that thing, when you fill the water, you need magnesium sulfate. Aka Epsom salt. So just a little bit, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So let's take a look at the battery. So that's the battery, and you can see the water level is down there, like 3 to 4 inch down there, and two of them are okay, and two of them are close to okay, and these two were too bad. So I'm going to remove all of them and going to put 1 spoon of this Epsom salt in each cell, and then going to pour the water and fill it up. So let's do that. So that's a small spoon, teaspoon. So I'm going to pour 2 teaspoons of this Epsom salt inside one cell. So now the Epsom salt is done, and now I just need to pour this distilled water inside of each cell. Right, so now you can see all the cells are okay. So after pour the Epsom salt and the water, then you can just shake the battery a bit, so the solution mixed up inside and it works better. So that's it. That's the simple way to do it. Just 2 spoons of the Epsom salt inside each cell, and then pour the water. That's it. So that's how you need to take care of your inverter battery and all. After you buy a new battery, you gotta check time to time for the water level, and gotta pour the water inside of it. And when the battery is not when the battery is new, you don't need to do anything else. Just take care of the water level. That's it. But when the battery is getting old, then you gotta take care of this thing. This will form the concentration of graphite side of it, the black tar kind of thing. So then you need the Epsom salt to revive it and work it and make it work better. And another thing you can do is you can take a bowl of distilled water and pour like 12 spoon of the Epsom salt and keep it warm, and makes the solution very good, and then pour into each cell of the battery. But that's another level thing, but the simple trick will work much better. So that's it. That's all for today. If you want to ask anything about taking care of battery and inverter and all, you can ask me in the comments below. I'd love to reply to you all. So If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.